Hey everyone, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. It is a few days to Christmas and today I am going to show you how to make this delicious roasting beef. Stay with me and let's get started. I have my roasting beef here and I purchased this from my local supermarket. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the packaging from the beef, and next I will rinse the beef with water, and I will also pat the beef down with kitchen towel. This is just to ensure that any excess water is removed before I add my seasonings. Before I add all my seasonings, I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil, and next I'm just going to rub the olive oil all around the beef. Now time to season the beef, so I'm just going to add all my seasonings and I'll be seasoning the beef one side first and then I'll repeat the seasonings on the other. Feel free to season your beef using your preferred seasonings of choice. Once I have added all my seasonings, I'm just going to press the seasoning in on the beef, and then finally I will add mixed herb and then press the mixed herbs in on the beef. Then I will flip the beef over and then repeat the seasonings on the opposite side. I have finished seasoning my beef and I'm just covering the beef with cling film. I will place this in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate overnight. If you don't have enough time, allow the beef to marinate at least 2 hours. The next day is time to roast this beef, and in my roasting tray I have some vegetables. I've got some garlic which I've left the skin on. I have some thyme, carrots and loads of onions. Feel free to use any type of vegetables of your choice. I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil on my vegetables and I'm going to mix everything together before I take out the beef from the refrigerator and place the beef on top of my vegetables, ready for roasting in the oven. I have been preheating my oven at 200 degrees and now I'm just going to allow the beef to roast for 1 hour. And 1 hour later, the beef is ready. Guys, it smells so good. Christmas is here. Treat your friends and family with this delicious roasting beef. And I'm telling you, they are going to ask for more. This beef is also perfect for a nice Sunday roast. I'm just going to slice it so you can see how good it looks on the inside. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and don't forget to click that notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post new recipes. Enjoy your roasting beef, and I'll see you next time. Bye.